great restaurant, Giorgio and Pine. Washington Square is this way, Broad Street is that way, in the Broad Street line. It's a fantastic location, really pleasant place to live in Washington Square West. It's a mid-sized apartment building, brownstone in Philadelphia. Walk up. Automatically closing and locking front door. Okay. Here are your mailboxes. This is the common area. First thing to show you is the laundry. So a number of the units, there are 6 or 7 units here, have in-unit washer dryer. So because of that, you only share these 2 units with 2 or 3 other units. So this washer dryer is rarely used. This is the basin that it's in. These lights automatically come on as you come down the steps. Okay, it's secure. There's a lot of stuff down here that is still being cleared out by the landlord. But it's dry, clean, safe, and it's $1.75 for wash and $1.50 for drying. There's also delivery and pickup and delivery washer dryer services in the city now. So that's also an option. It's pretty affordable, and laundry is done and folded for you. So now the unit. So as you know, we came in through that door, the automatically closing and locking front door, and then the basement we went in right down here, and the unit door is right here. And there's actually 2 doors before you enter the unit. This one is locked with a deadbolt and handle. In here is a deep closet. Very useful. Can be used for anything and for storage. It's kind of like your vestibule, okay? This is one of your kind of like entrances to the back. There's a very, very small rear yard that only you have access to. Technically, there is a fire stair, but and we'll show you the other entrance point in a second. We'll come back here. So here's the unit, queen efficiency apartment off the first floor. This is the size, and we will have a floor plan for you to see as well for sizing. Here's the bathroom, full bath, stall shower. Smaller sink, toilet. That's the space. It's your mirror, your lights. Okay, that's it. And then the unit. There's a ceiling fan. There's a split system for all of your heating and cooling needs. Controllable inside the unit. It's your own unit. It's the refrigerator, stove top, microwave. There's no dishwasher, and there's no oven. This is how you control your split system. And then out here is your other way to access the backyard. So through here is the door that I showed you before with that light, okay? And then out this way is the split condenser that comes off your split system. That's your window. And then here's your kind of little backyard space with a egress to a side street there. here's the fire stair. Okay, to show you what it's like over here. There's a gate there to a side street. Here's a gate to another property. Okay. And that's the space. Let us know if you have any questions or further interest. This should go quick. Thank you.